Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cast your phone screen to your computer for free using AirDroid Cast. It works on both Android and iPhone, and you can connect to your Windows or Mac computer. No cables required. Best of all, the app is completely free to use. This is perfect for presentations, gaming, live streaming, or just enjoying your phone on a bigger screen. Let's get started. First, let's go to Google. Search for AirDroid Cast. Go ahead and click the first one. Let's go to its official website. Then download the app. Double-click the file we have just downloaded. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? We select yes. Then select the installer language. Click OK. Then click Next. Then accept the agreement. Here we need to select the folder we want to install the app. I'm going to make a new folder for this app. Then click Install. Now we have already installed the app on the computer. We need to install the app on our phone. Let's go to the App Store if you are using the iPhone, or you can go to the Google Play Store if you are using the Android. Search for AirDroid Cast. Go ahead and download the app. After the app is installed on the phone, open it. Then tap Continue. Allow the access to the microphone and allow notifications. Before we start casting, we need to make sure the phone and the computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, or it will not work. Now I'm going to scan the QR code on the computer to start casting. Allow the access to the camera. On the computer, the request pops up. We just click Allow. Allow AirDroid Cast to find device on the local networks. Then click Start Broadcast. Now we can see we have successfully casted the phone screen on the computer. If we want to stop casting, we just need to click the X mark on the top right. Then click OK to end casting. And that's how you cast your phone screen to your computer for free using AirDroid Cast. Super easy, right? If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. And drop a comment if you run into any issues. I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.